What is up, guys? Omar Ramos back here with another video, and today I'm glad to be bringing you guys my iPhone 11 Pro Max unboxing. So I've been wanting to upgrade for a new iPhone for a couple of years now. I currently have the 7 Plus and it's not cutting it by today's standards. So after seeing the live event that Apple had, I was kind of convinced to buy this year's iPhone. However, even the normal iPhone 11 is just as good as this one, but Apple has managed to work their way to put the world's fastest processor on a cell phone. Now, every time I get an iPhone, I usually get the fully spec'd version, everything besides the memory. So this example is a 256 gigabyte. So this was basically delivered to me Friday, but it was delivered to my carrier store, which is AT&T, and it was there Friday, but I didn't pick it up until today, which is Monday. So yeah, I pretty much wasted the weekend without the phone, but it's okay. At least I get to unbox it for you guys and upload this video really quick. So let's get right into the unboxing. So here's the iPhone. We're gonna go ahead and unbox this bad boy. Okay. Wow, I'm really nervous to touch it. I'm not even gonna lie. This is really nice. Finish is great. The bezels are really small, just like the last iPhone. I mean, it's pretty much, oh, sorry about that, but it's pretty much the same screen. We got our really weird looking camera right here, in my opinion. Just kidding. I really like that they added the silver finish right here. I thought it was a black finish for some reason, but this is actually a silver finish. I don't know if you can see it, but yeah, up close it is actually a silver finish, as well as with the sides, just like that XS Max. Ugh. Just like the XS Max. So I'm not even gonna take this off. So here we have the traditional design by Apple in California. This year's wall charger is different because it's actually sports fast charging. I mean, I haven't had a phone that's had fast charging since my Note 4. Rip in peace, my Note 4. Do they still come with stickers? Yes, they do come with stickers. They always have, and they always should, in my opinion. They should always keep those stickers. SIM card. We don't need none of that. Just kidding. We actually do, because this doesn't even have a SIM card. Or it might, but it doesn't work. No, I don't think it does, actually. Check this out, guys. It's bordered right here. I don't know if you guys saw, but there's a border right here. There's older iPhones. On the older iPhones, there was a imprint of basically the model of the phone, and as well as over here. But this one, yeah, this one still has an imprint. Ear pods. Could have used I could use a new pair of these. We got a cable. It's actually Type-C now, so it's no more. It's actually Type-C now, so no more of that boring old USB that charges slow. So yeah, Type-C, really nice. Really nice. And this is pretty much your iPhone. I'm going to turn it on right now. It's a black startup screen. I'd expect it to be white, like the iPhone 7s and 6s, but I guess not. I'm okay with it. Maybe with an update they'll change it, but yeah, this is a white finish. Hello, yeah, welcome to your iPhone. Let's get this thing started. Sorry, the quick startup thing popped up and it stopped recording, but anyways, I'm just gonna set this up, and I just want to make a quick video about this iPhone because I really need to set it up and probably clean it since it's already dirty. Clean it and put a case on it, screen protector. It'll look pretty dope. I'm not gonna lie, rocking it like this is so tempting. Like, it's really tempting. We also got that matte finish. It's a really nice matte finish, but we obviously can't see. We obviously can't see it entirely since it has a plastic over it. Does it have plastic over it? don't think it does actually. Yeah, that's how the finish is. Yeah, crazy. Really nice finish. No more do we see iPhone or nothing like that. So I'll catch you guys in the next one. If you liked it, please leave a like, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.